Hello, welcome to this update for Europe. Let's see what's happening with these storms and also a potential heat wave coming. So here is on August 1st. We still have a few meandering storms, spots of Central Europe and some below average temperatures. And potentially this weekend into next week, we might have our future heat wave. A few spots in Western Europe. There's still these waves of below average temperatures for Central Europe, but especially in the Iberian Peninsula, and maybe spreading to Central Europe by August 8th. Another heat wave. But we'll keep watching. And here, let's see the storms first, because today there will already be some strong storms in a few areas. So this high resolution model does show a few storms scattered across France, Germany, many scattered showers, and a few stronger storms, possibly some storms in the UK as well, storm or two, even like just east of London in a few spots. So be aware those areas, and still shows some stronger ones into Austria, northern Italy, those areas. So always be careful. Some hail probabilities, some gusty winds, those storms. And also shows some storm spots of Spain, especially like central to southeastern Spain and northeastern Spain, a few spots. So be aware. And does show later into this evening still a storm or two near Valencia, and does show Saturday morning tomorrow a storm or two close to the coast in northeastern Spain, like mainly during the morning, and then in the afternoon another shower or two or storm or two near the Pyrenees. So be aware, especially these ones across central southern Spain, like Valencia, Castilla-La Mancha, near Madrid and other areas. This can have some larger hail, some gusty winds. So be careful. And also, these ones across northeastern Spain this afternoon can be strong. So there's the Cape too. So like the show Cape before the storms, a few spots in central Spain, but does show more Cape on northeastern Spain, close to 1,000 joules per kilogram, even 1,500 a few spots. So be aware. Be careful, and it also shows northern Italy and two spots of Germany, some are Cape present, if those storms can take advantage. So be careful. And here there's the icon. It also shows scattered showers and storms throughout France, Germany, those areas. So be careful in the case of any bigger or severe storms. Today is not a very big day in terms of severe storms, but you never know. There could be some strong ones in the mix with hail damaging wind. So be careful. Still shows Saturday tomorrow through Slovenia, Italy, spots in Austria, some stronger ones to watch. This goes probably Sunday into Poland, spots in Slovakia, too. Sunday there into Sunday evening shows more spots of Bosnia and Slovakia, and a few other storms. And then into Monday, does show this front in Germany, spots of the Netherlands and Germany, a little bit of rain. But the storms themselves by Monday the 4th shows in Russia, and spots of Eastern Europe. This is the icon. There's the European model as well. Shows Friday today, those scared storms Central Europe. There's still the rest of this front across Estonia into Russia, especially in Russia and southern Finland. Saturday, a few storms Scandinavia too, especially Finland and Sweden. So this goes in Russia, still some storms. The European shows some storms Sunday in Eastern Europe. S- s- Let's see if it shows any capes. So it does show as well on that belt of Eastern Europe, 1,000 to like close to 2,000 joules per kilogram. So we might need to watch this storm Sunday for some damaging winds and hail, but still shows Monday across Finland a few storms and some more spots in Eastern Europe, but potentially finger or two in Southeastern Europe, but this always changes. Then Tuesday the 5th, still Russia, a few storms, and this goes into Central Russia later, some stronger ones. So be aware those areas. And here is some models have been showing a potential storm system to affect the UK with very strong winds next week. So there's this front on Sunday, northern UK, but both the European, the Icon, and the GFS are showing this 992 millibar low pressure system, like in central northern UK next Monday, damaging winds, and then the low pressure moves like into Scandinavia, 92 millibars on the European in the North Sea. So this might be a very strong one Tuesday, and then still shows the remnants of it later. So we need to watch the system very closely. So here does show as well, like Wingus. Let's see the icon if it has something. So shows Friday, today Saturday, slightly stronger as a few spots southern France or like just off of northwestern Spain. But then this system arrives Monday, shows some very strong wingers, a few spots Northern Ireland, central northern UK, and even into central Ireland. So Monday this goes and show like some wingers by Tuesday, northern UK, more than 100 km per gus. This is still like Monday night, so Monday afternoon to Monday night, and later into like Tuesday in the North Sea, south of Norway. So we are watching this very closely, but know if this comes, there might be some damaging winds and some heavy rain in a few spots. The GFS is also very strong in a few spots. Yesterday, the icon was stronger, I think, but yeah, we'll keep monitoring this, but just to see the wingers, the European does show like today's Friday, so Saturday shows like Sunday, and then this comes on Monday. Does show spots in Northern Ireland into the UK, some 78 to 90 km per gus, like to 130 a few islands in Scotland. So be careful, Central UK and Northern UK Monday, and then this goes later into Tuesday, further east, might produce strong winds near Denmark, Norway, and Sweden near next week. So be aware. We'll we'll keep watching this. So now we're watching this next heat wave that will already take place in spots of Spain and Portugal next few days. So here the European model does show like these temperature anomalies. So on Friday, Saturday starts kicking up in Spain and Portugal, some above average temperatures. Monday, Tuesday, those waves of below average temperatures further central to Eastern Europe. This goes and later into like July 9th and 10th, July, not August 10th, the European does show a very big area of above average temperatures across Central Western Europe by August, like August 11th. This changes all the time. The last mod one was different, but we might need to watch this area of Central Europe soon for some heat waves. There's already in Spain some heat wave advisories in Portugal, so already shows 36, 37 degrees this afternoon, Saturday to 38 degrees, even like the heat indices might be higher than 39 in a few areas. So This goes Saturday, Sunday, especially Sunday. This starts kicking like some 42 degrees spots in southwestern Spain. Yeah, and southern Portugal, 41 to 39 degrees. So stay safe in those areas. Check the description that's in Spanish as well, if you need a translation. And I put a link to Google Translate as well for other languages. Let me know if it works. So continuing here shows like by already Mondays, some 40 degrees, 41 spots central southern Spain. So stay safe in those areas. And then the GFS was even stronger. So like some 41 degrees already is Saturday afternoon, and Sunday the GFS is already 43, close to 44 degrees in Portugal, even 45 on the GFS in a few cities there. So please stay safe. Especially there were some wildfires in Portugal this week. This heat can make it worse. So be careful, drink a lot of water, and stay cool. Sunday, Monday still shows Tuesday, even like further into spots in northeastern Spain shows 40 degrees Tuesday afternoon. Then Tuesday, Wednesday still like southern Spain Wednesdays 39 close to 40 by next Thursday, not as severe but still above average in most places. So be careful in those areas. We'll keep watching this, but be aware. Across France, still nothing too crazy. Like in the Alps during the night, still even some 0 degrees during the night in the Alps. But so like southern France is the warmest place in all of France. So like some 31 degrees. Not there is some 20s by Sunday. Monday shows like spots of central southern France. This goes and like Tuesday shows like already kicking up some 37 southern France, and like this is next Wednesday, some warmer in southern France and hotter in a few spots in Italy, some 30s, nothing crazy. And then show like this afternoon, Friday, across southeastern Europe, it's better, but still a few spots hotter, especially Turkey is still hot, but the rest is better. And central northeastern Europe, still those below average temperatures, especially cooler during the night. So be aware, but still in Russia, Ukraine is very hot in a few areas. And it's quite warm in Finland, spots in northern Sweden, still warm. So yeah, and be aware. And we'll keep watching this heat wave and also the storm system in the UK on Monday. So stay safe and be careful of those storms I showed you. Let's just see if there's anything else important, and actually there is. So in Far Eastern Europe, in the Caucasus, today, Friday, some very high probabilities for hail, especially like 2 to 4 centimeter hail. In a few areas, like 10% chance of 5 centimeter hail. So be careful with some dangerous storms in the Caucasus. Also shows some hail probabilities in Italy, Spain there as well, and even like in Sweden is showing here. And then Saturday still shows in Italy some high probabilities in the Caucasus, especially in a few spots Central Europe. Then the 3 hour probability has Sunday as well, shows Sunday afternoon. Nothing too crazy, but moving to Eastern Europe there, like I showed you. So stay safe.